Hello, this is Brian. Today is Tuesday, August 23rd, 2022. I'm here in the awesome Cabrillo National Monument here near Point Loma. Today it is time for a Spotlight on Shrubs video, and you're looking at it right now. It's this cactus right here. This is the golden velvet cactus, also known as golden Cereus. It is Bergerocactus emoryi. It is a rare, relatively local endemic species of cactus, and of course, being a cactus, it's a member of the Cactus family, the Cactaceae. So what we have here is a clumped, relatively sparsely branched plant that gets up to a few feet tall. Not extremely tall. I wouldn't be surprised if they get close to a shorter human's height. But what you have here is this velvety texture. Don't get it twisted, because it is full of spines and glochids that could lodge into your skin and make you feel very uncomfortable. So while it has a kind of gentle, velvety appearance, appearances are very deceiving. So what we have here in this habitat called maritime succulent scrub, which is kind of like a form of coastal sage scrub, because we also have Opuntia species, and this one looks like Opuntia auricola, the oracle prickly pear. Then we have other plants like the related coast cholla right here, Cylindropuntia prolifera. And then we got more velvet cactus, golden velvet cactus here. So what you have here is quite an upright type. So similar to the chollas, it is upright, except for one variety of cholla found here, which is not in the immediate viewpoint, so I'm not going to spend too much time on that. And that would be snake cholla, Cylindropuntia californica, variety californica. And Ed is supposed to be in this area as well, and I might have seen a specimen or two earlier today, but right now I don't see any here. We're going to focus on this. So this cactus here is obviously not in bloom, but in the springtime they will get these kind of greenish yellow flowers that are quite conspicuous, quite a sight to see. They're roughly about this sized, roughly, in the spring, and then they turn into these little fruits eventually. Looks like these ones have already either ripened or aborted. But the most standout feature to help identify this plant is the velvety texture, the upright form, the multi-stemmed form as well. It's multi-stemmed, upright, and its spines go all the way down to the base. Sometimes with cholla plants, the old stems will harden off and the underneath portions won't be so spiny, or not with all these glochids and everything. But another salient feature of this plant is the golden hue it gives off due to the color of the glochids and spines. You see those spines are long, and if you look carefully you can see the hairy glochids. The spines are the ones that'll pierce you pretty hard, and the glochids will be the ones that rub off and irritate your skin like crazy. And yes, I've had a few occasions where I've had glochids in me, so I know what I'm talking about. Probably a lot of you have hiked in chaparral and coastal sage scrub can attest to that as well. So we do have, again, this looks like Opuntia auricola. It's usually a little more upright than that. We do have some other relatives. There's seen some coast barrel cactus around here as well that do well in this maritime succulent scrub. So again, with this specimen here, you see the spininess and hairiness go all the way down, and it's a little bit different form than coast cholla here, which sometimes has very obvious trunks and much sharper, shorter but sharper spines, as seen here. But you can kind of contrast what a cholla and a Bergerocactus look like by just looking at the much more upright, much less intricately branched structure of the velvet cactus. So that's how you can tell these apart. I'm not sure if these ones are quick to reproduce by stem segments. It looks like they might have underground root systems that might produce some offshoots, but I'm not sure if these ones are as known for vegetative reproduction as the cholla and the puntia cactus are. So there you have it. Bergerocactus emoryi, golden velvet cactus, or golden Cereus. Right here, growing right next to Dudleya edulis. This was Spotlight on Shrubs with Brian. I hope you enjoyed the video and hope you found it helpful in identifying more of our native plants. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on another episode.